Polytex's Total Care Manager is the perfect one-stop management system for workwear. It complements our best-in-class dispensing and return units, providing an end-to-end software solution for all your needs. With its robust, fully secured features, you can track and manage your workwear at any time, from anywhere. Access Total Care Manager from your computer or tablet, or your smartphone using our dedicated mobile app. The simple API allows seamless integration with your existing systems, from laundry services to ERP and beyond. With our intuitive user management module, you can create and edit users with ease, assign credits, and more as needed. Our intuitive dashboard provides real-time information, reports, and insights on the go. By tracking workwear inventory, usage, and returns in real time, you can eliminate redundancies and reduce spending on laundry and stock. Use our schedule reporting system and receive an hourly, daily, or weekly report per item, team, or department directly to your email or mobile. Get real-time notifications on system performance and maintenance events and handle them before they impact your users. With its cloud-based infrastructure, Total Care Manager allows secure, robust, and fully scalable operations from anywhere, including automatic software updates, remote configurations, and 24/7 monitoring. Total Care Manager means total peace of mind. Forget about IT, storage, or computing hassle. With Total Care Manager, the data from your machines is cyber-secured, complete with frequent backups, recovery plans, multi-level threat protection, and full GDPR, SOC 2, and ISO 27001 compliance. Polytex Total Care Manager, the complete solution for complete control of your workwear.